Hi, this is Teacher Jennifer from US Citizenship Podcast. Today I would like to talk about the two-part verification for the MyUSCIS account. Let's get started. Last week I showed you how to create your MyUSCIS account. Go ahead and check that out if you need to. But I would like now to, since we've already created our account, log back into it. So I have my email, I have my password that I created, and when I sign in, USCIS is going to give me a one-time password that I can use. So here it is requesting that one-time password. I go to my Gmail account or Yahoo or whatever account that you use, and there we will have an email from USCIS that says that it has that one-time password. Here it is. It's my account, secure one-time password notification. And here it is. This is the one-time password. So can I use this one again? No, I can't. And can I wait to use it for a long time? No, I can't do that either. It's good for about 10 minutes. I go in, I put that password in, I hit submit, and it's thinking about what I'm saying, what I put in. And now I'm ready to go back to my account on USCIS so I can update my N-400 application for naturalization. Here, it's welcoming to my account. I'm going to continue my N-400 application, or I can delete it and start over. Uh, in the next couple of days, I will show you more short videos about how to add information to your N-400. Thank you so much.